Hello, welcome to Virgo, Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Ano po to? Reading, love reading. Take only what resonates, guys. So, bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, ha. Pero kung nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading ay para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpo-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. And, kung pumunta ka doon sa TikTok shop ko, meron akong available ngayon doon na tarot reading or astrological reading na bracelet. So, yon. Pag in-avail mo yon, mamimili ka kung ano gusto mo, astrological or tarot reading. Pero ano lang siya, limited lang siya. So, kung may maaabutan ka, kasi konti lang yun talaga. Medyo marami-rami astrological reading. Yan, compatibility or whatever, kung ano yung gusto mo itanong. Five of Cups is here. Start na natin, ha. Ito yung sa side mo. You do have the Justice card. And you do have here the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Ano to, ha? Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. By the way, pakita ko lang, guys, masyadong malaki yung card na ito. So, pagpasensyahan mo na kung medyo nahirapan ako i-shuffle minsan. Malaki ito. Madalang ko siyang gamitin kasi malaki siya para sa kamay ko. But, yeah. You do have here the Nine of Pentacles. So, nakikita natin, you could be someone na pwedeng ipinapakita mo sa mga tao or sa lahat na parang okay ka naman. Financially, maybe you are okay. And maybe you are currently in a relationship and then yung person mo may sharing ng ng pera. Kumbaga maybe meron din siyang career na both of you may partnership, may pagtutulungan dito sa career na ito. Nagwo-work out, and the Justice card is like both of your careers na nag-work out at maganda, may pagtutulungan sa inyo. But deep inside the Five of Cups, nakikita natin yung kalungkutan mo dito. So technically, kahit maganda yung ipinapakita mo sa iba, you are smiling, you are happy, deep inside, a lot of emotions ang naandon. Hindi ka talaga completely masaya. The Four of Cups is pwedeng may mga pinangihinayangan ka, pwedeng maaaring in the past, hindi ka naging sigurado sa isang bagay. And then with the King of Swords, I feel like may mga decision or mga action ka na ginawa in the past na part of you is para gustong balikan, para baguhin, na sana hindi na lang pala ganito yung ginawa ko, hindi na lang pala, alam mo yon, yung may mga panghihinayang sa energy mo. So, kung wala kang karelasyon, maybe this is your side, yung kaliwa, or, take only what resonates. Pag di ka nakaka-relate, mo talaga ipilit. Yun lang yan. Hindi pa ako nakakasimula, guys. But I can see the High Priestess. So, this side, itong kaliwa, yun yung medyo spiritual side. And, or, pwedeng you're dealing with the person na pwedeng may spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. Because High Priestess is a very spiritual card. Anyway, sino tong person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Who is this person? Okay, you do have here the Hierophant. Nine of Swords. Okay. Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Okay. Natutuwa lang ako sa energy. The Nine of Cups is here, so you're dealing with someone na very stressed. Okay? And with the Hierophant, yeah. Maybe siya yung isang tao na malapit sa sabihin na natin pagdating sa spiritual na bagay, malapit talaga siya. The Hierophant is also someone na very spiritual. And kung hindi man spiritual, very traditional, alin man doon. Or pwedeng both. No? Traditional or pwedeng religious, pwedeng ganyan. The Four of Cups is someone na, katulad mo, pwedeng may mga pinanghihinayangan din itong taong to. And, yan, marami siyang kinai-stressan ngayon. The World is here. Dalawa lang yan. Pwedeng itong person na ito is pwedeng nagiging open sa'yo or nagiging close. Nagiging close in a way na pwedeng hindi siya nagsasabi ng any details or whatsoever sa pinagdadaanan niya, or pwedeng nagiging open siya. So, kung open naman siya, open na open. Gets mo yun? Yung parang kahit ano sinasabi niya sa'yo. So, that kind of energy. So, alin man doon. Kasi I can see both of the energies here. So, alin man doon. Anyway, ano bang emotion ninyo? Ninyo ng taong ito sa isa't isa? Wait lang guys, medyo magulo yung card. Okay. Anong emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa ng taong ito. You do have your twin flames? Yeah, you would be dealing with your twin flame. Hammer. And then, the dragonfly. Okay, you do have here the butterfly. Sunglasses. And one more card, please. Okay, ang dami lumabas. Wait lang. So, may isang nalaglag, which is the talking. Ayan. And you do have here the mirror. This is, twin flame is also, soulmate is also here. And the date card. Bottom of the deck is the photograph. So, I feel like you could be dealing with your twin flame, your soulmate. Lalo na with the mirror, or you're mirroring each other. So, both of you, nakikita natin na nandun yung emotions or love ninyo sa isa't isa. Guys, if you are the new person sa side ng person mo, and then nakikita natin yung attraction at attention niya nasa iyo. Okay, if you are the new person. Pero kung hindi ikaw ang new person, this person is focusing out. Okay, nagfo-focus siya dun sa new person. Alam mo yun kung sino yung new person niya eh. 'Di ba? Pero kung ikaw ang new person, ang focus niya nasa iyo. Okay? And this person is really interested sa'yo. So, whether may connection kayo or wala, ayan, kasi nga yung iba nga sa inyo, pwedeng close, very close itong person na to, sarado siya. Yung iba naman, pwedeng open na open siya. Kung open na open naman siya, nakikita natin that this person is, waiting, pwedeng naghihintay sa kung ano man yung mga sasabihin mo or what. And on the other hand, nakikita natin emotion mo sa person that, I don't know if you are, I can read the word sabotage. So, pwedeng yung sabotage, kumbaga sa Tagalog, sinasabotahe. And I don't know if this is you na sinasabotahe mo yung, yung sarili mo. Yan. Yeah. Because, maybe, may mga bagay kang kailangan mo munang i-heal sa sarili mo. And, I don't know, you are pwedeng hindi mo kasi alam kung ano isasagot mo or sasabihin mo sa taong to or dapat mong maramdaman sa kanya dahil maaaring ikapahamak mo, parang ganon, or hindi maging maganda resulta. So, nandun yung pag-iingat sa'yo. Okay? Tell me more. I mean, nakukulangan ako sa side mo na emotion. So, you do have your not enough. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo maybe, I just remembered, yung iba sa inyo may nakita nga pala tayong relationship na sa side mo. So, maybe you are currently in a relationship or maybe partnership. Yung relationship dito could be karelasyon talagang literal or maybe friends or family. na pwedeng nagiging dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo taasan yung ego mo, kung bakit dapat hindi ka maging open sa taong to kasi ganito, kasi kino-consider mo yung iisipin or kung anong mangyayari dito sa other relationship or other connection na pwedeng involve sa side mo. Okay? But for what I can see here, if you are currently in a relationship, pwedeng marami kang nakikitang kakulangan dyan sa relasyon na yan. And that, yan, no, nagpakita naman yung word na sabotage. So, definitely, pwedeng sinasaktan mo yung sarili mo by, increasing or being this person na mataas yung ego. And dahil nag-hold on ka or hindi ka naging honest sa sarili mo, ang nasasaktan lang din ay ikaw. You know what I mean? And you do have the runner. Yeah, you could be the runner in the connection. In this connection, ikaw yung the runner. And you do have here the chaser. So, I want to clarify what's with the chaser. What's with the chaser? You do have here, I like you. So, I feel like some of you, pwedeng, you could be a runner and chaser at the same time. So, dito sa part na ito, I don't know, maybe yung iba sa inyo naranasan mo maging chaser or ikaw yung humabol dito sa taong to, and pwede ngayon ikaw yung runner. But anyway, you could be both. You could be both. Pwedeng naranasan mong lumayo. Alam mo, lalo na ito ay twin flame connection for some of you. Talagang normal yan. May running and chasing phase. Kasama yun sa connection. And you do have here the sword and rose. So, some of you, maybe you are trying to protect yung iyong emotion. Pero kisses is here, so nakikita natin mahal mo tong taon to. Nandun yung affection mo sa kanya. And there's something about this person na pwedeng masyadong mysterious na parang kaya mo siya mas lalong nagugustuhan because masyado siyang, and maybe a flirt. I can see a person who is a flirt. So I don't know. Pwedeng ang cute nung part na yon parang sa'yo. Parang, ang hirap na hindi mapansin tong taong to kasi masyado siyang flirt, masyado siyang cute, masyado siyang kolokoy, ganun. Anyway. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Gusto mo siya pero some of you, pinipilit mong wag magustuhan na hindi mo kaya kasi gusto mo talaga. What will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future, for the both of you, you do have here the Six of Pentacles, Three of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Strength card. I want to clarify the Six of Pentacles. What's with the Six of Pentacles? You do have here the Star. Okay. Six of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. You do have here the Two of Wands, Four of Swords, and the King of Wands. I feel like I need to get one more card. Gawin natin yun. Yeah, this is the High Priestess. The Chariot. The High Priestess is here. And then bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands, the Four of Wands. The Moon is also here. And wala ako na isa pang card sa deck na ito. You do have your Love and Axe. So, in the future, actually, depende kasi sa'yo. Okay? Kung saan mo gustong dalhin itong connection na to. Kasi lalo na kung ikaw yung nagiging runner dito sa connection na to, like, it's your fault. 'Di ba? Kung hindi mangyayari yung connection, kasalanan mo yon. Lalo na kung ikaw yung runner. No? Why? Kasi nakikita natin in the future with the Three of Wands, nandun yung pagka-miss mo dito sa taong to. Well, for what I can see here, may choice ka naman. Kasi with the Strength card, either ikaw ay kakaroon ng lakas ng loob to, sagutin, na kasi sagipin in the future itong person na ito. In a way, dahil pwedeng may situation siya wherein kailangan ka niya or kailanganin ka niya, or maybe there's the energy na pwedeng kailanganin ka nitong person na ito, or maybe magawa ng action itong person na ito to end the separation, kasi pwedeng may separation sa inyong dalawa. And nandun pa rin naman yung love lalo na with the High Priestess, this is a spiritual connection. So, pwedeng kailanganin ka nitong person na ito. And kinailangan ka niya, and it is because maybe the universe is making its way, or, tumutulong na si universe para makabalik ka dito sa person na to. But nasa sayo yon kung talagang ipipilit mo or kakayanin mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, if you would choose na wag tulungan itong person na to, or if you would choose na wag siyang pansinin or what, the star is here. Hindi mo maaabot kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Hindi mo maabot yung pangarap mo. Which is, for what I can see here, gusto mo tong taong to. Pangarap mo siya, or siya yung maybe nasa dreams mo. Paano mo makukuha yung taong nasa dreams mo if, hanggang panaginip or hanggang pangarap lang talaga siya. No? The way I see this, malakas yung spiritual connection, pero nasa sayo ang problema. But yung iba sa inyo, sabihin mo, nagagawa naman ako ng action, nakikipag-communicate naman ako para sa iba na ganun yung sasabihin. Nakikipag-communicate naman ako, siya itong hindi nagre-reply, hindi nakikipag-usap, etc. Okay, kung ganun ang sitwasyon mo, in the future, there's one of you, na hindi ko masabi kung ikaw or siya, ang mangangailangan dun sa isa. And that is the way of the universe para i-bring kayo together, para pagsamahin kayo, kasi if this is really your soulmate, if this is really your twin flame, then para talaga siya sa'yo. Ngayon, si universe, gagawa siya ng paraan towards this separation na nangyayari. Ayan Axe, separation, and then you do have your Cupid's arrow. Axe is a separation. Ngayon, si universe, gagawa siya ng paraan para magkaroon ng union. Yan. Preparing for union. So, this is the universe making its way, or parang pinupush na siya ni universe na mabalik sa'yo. Now, because of this separation, maaring magkaroon ng hesitation. Yung Cupid's arrow is here. So, magkaroon ng pagdadalawang isip dahil doon sa kanya-kanya ninyong separation. And I feel like that is in your side, na pwede magkaroon ng pagdadalawang isip. Ituloy ko ba to or what? Pero to tell you what, you do have your cassette. Paulit-ulit lang to. The universe will try again and again and again and again and again na ibalik itong taong ito sa buhay mo. If this is really your twin flame and or your soulmate, ibabalik at ibabalik siya sa'yo. So, ang pinahirapan mo lang dyan, technically, with the stab in the back, is yung sarili mo. Pareho kayo actually. Pati siya nahihirapan din. But, so, if ever, pipiliin mo na magkaroon ng new beginning dito sa person na ito, or itatry mo na makipagtulungan sa kanya, the Six of Wands, there's a victory, there's happiness, Four of Wands. The Moon is here. Yung the Moon, and it is in reverse, nakikita natin yung pagkagising. Kasi when it's in upright, it's like dreaming. But then when it is in reverse, nakikita natin yung pagkagising regarding this dream. And yung sinasabi ko nga kanina, hindi mo siya magiging panaginip na lang lagi. Kasi maaaring yung spiritual connection ninyo, mailalagay na siya sa realidad. Okay? And if that's what you want, all you have to do is to accept what universe is giving to you. Okay? So thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.